Hi guys, good day. This is Jay. I'm here with one of the aspiring model of Bench. I'm here with John Paul Gundaya. It's nice to see you again.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Well, nandito tayo ngayon sa bench bodywork. Casting tayo.
All right, John Paul, what made you decide to do casting of Bench Body?
Um, kasi gusto ko talagang mag-casting dito. Pangarap ko din na makarampa sa bench passion.
For how long you've been
I think
dreaming to become part of Bench Body?
5 years.
Wow, 5 years.
Nagano na rin po ako dito last 2022, I think.
Mhm.
Maybe. Yan.
Kasi every after 2 years to, di ba?
Yeah.
Yan, so, anong pakiramdam na you're here now?
Masaya ako dahil nandito ako ngayon and enjoying ko lang tong araw na to.
Aside from
Hoping.
doing some diet on your body and as well as going to the gym, how do you work your body?
Uh, I think diet din. Yan. Diet muna ako sa pagkain tapos sabayan ko ng gym paggabi.
So more on diet talaga siya.
More on diet.
Alright, sige, message mo sa mga fans and supporters mo and invite them.
Hello guys, I will invite you to watch on Pageant Trend, I think. Yes. Iniimbitahan ko kayong manood. Supportahan niyo ako sa casting na to.
Alright, John Paul, best of luck and hope to see you on the
See you.
bench
Thank you.
fashion show. Thank you so much.